Yo, what's up, man? We back with another video. Me and Slim will be playing one-on-one again, part 2. He won last time. He won by 1 point. You think you're gonna beat me today, bro? Of course. So today we'll be playing for $100. We got $100 on the line.
Easy money. My boy Tim Carter said this draft today will be the same way on him. It's no easy game going on.
So today will be 3 dribbles. And let's see who's gonna win. What do you want? Wait, hold on. You get ball first. You want? One zip. That shit lucky. Hold on, bro. We just about to do this one-on-one video real quick. But let us run this video, bro. Let us do this video. It's only gonna take like 10 minutes. We're going to 12. This is what pays the bills.
2-0.
But it's gonna take 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Alright, we just said.
Let's restart, bro. No, it's not. Nah, hell no. Come on. Ah! Oh my God, Slim. Oh my God. I knew you was hitting that bitch. 3-0. Watch out for this dude.
They still coming? Alright.
Bro, y'all can't give us 10 minutes, bro? Y'all can give us 10 minutes? Just 10 minutes. These niggas can't leave. You want a 12 or 11?
11.
Let's go, Tim. Fuck. Stop settling. Ah! Fuck. You want it? I'm gonna run them off that line every time. I gotta make you work, bro. Man, I would have been hot. That one I would have been hot. You making some goofy shit. Good D, Slim. Oh yeah. I'm locking this shit up. Come on, baby. Oh my gosh, bro. Damn. Oh yes. What? You call? Oh. Gotta be stronger, bro. 2. Four. Ah, shit. Come on, Slim. I'll make you work. You tired?
I'm tired. No, my baby.
Can't lose twice. Yes. This is a tall motherfucker. Fuck, Tim, come on. Gotta play smart with him, bro. That's stiff. Come on, Tim. 4-3. Oh, fuck, I gotta make that. I gotta stop you from getting to the fucking basket. Five, 4. Only if you know you're gonna hit it. Yup, I feel it. Ooh. Hey. Nah, yeah, but it's soft. I ain't calling no soft shit.
I ain't push you. I done kept right there.
I ain't calling no soft shit. Seven, 4. Don't want none of those. 7-4, baby. Fuck! Good shit, Slim. 7-5. Damn, I gave you that. You got that up quick, huh? You got that one up quick, huh? He didn't want me to get up on that shit. Yep. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on now. Damn. Yup. I'm gonna touch that hill. Yup. Go that way. Turn them left, Tim. Ah! Slip. That counted as a dribble. You dribbled him, bro. You dribbled him. You dribbled him once. Come on. You know you dribbled it, though. All right. All right. No, I'm gonna make you go that way. You're gonna have to go that way. That's one. That's one. How you make that? Your feet was like this, bro. I fouled you. Good call. Not living like that. Oh my gosh, bro. Come on! Bunk!
You got 7?
Yeah,
Say 7.
it's a fact. There's good ones. There's good ones, Slim. Oh, that's a foul, Slim. That's a foul, Slim. That's a foul. You know it. You know it. You know it. Don't touch me. You can't touch me. You can't touch me. It's the game on the line. Of course I'm going to call everything, bro. Ah! Yeah, 10-9. I told y'all, I can't lose twice, bro. Right, Slim? I can't lose twice. I can't lose twice. He nervous. He gonna play it now. Ah! Ah! Get time. Oh my God, too much, Tim. Too happy. Too happy. This is why I'm the clamp guy right here. Oh, that was two. That was a chopper too. You walked. You walked. You walked. You walked. You walked. Huh? Replay it. I ain't cheat. Hey! Oh shit! Yes, this is what I want. This is what I want right here, Slim. This is what I want. This is what I want. This is what I want. Oh, that's 4? Swear to God, Slim. Swear to God. Oh, 4? 4? Dribbles? Swear to God, that's 4. You got it. Tough move. Gotta finish. Fuck, Tim. Oh, yes. Oh, you ain't getting nothing easy, bro. I'm sorry. Oh, you giving it to me? I fouled you. I ain't no cheat, bro. You sure? I don't want no complaints, bro. Pin tight. Oh, fuck. That's like sticking the tip in right there. Y'all know what I mean. You got it, you got it. You caught. Damn, bro. Your breath real quick, bro. Come on. You hit out there, you. Hey, you send me home like that, you supposed to win. What are this one? All hands, Slim. All hands, Slim. You know you felt my hand, bro. You know you felt my hand first. No, bro. No, bro. No, bro.
How do I hit your hand first?
No.
Like this.
No. What you mean that you hit my hand?
I blasted.
No.
You didn't hit your hand.
No.
You gotta shoot for that, dude. I'll give you that.
I respect the shot. Yo, Rock. Nigga, too weak, bro.
Yeah, you struggling to beat me, huh?
You supposed to be Slim Reaper.
You clamp guy.
Yup. Yup. Yup, yeah,
At
yeah.
least you grab more.
Yeah. Come on, bro. Go get that shit. Go get it. Recap, Riverfront, go get that shit. Stop playing with me, boy. Stop fucking playing with me, boy. You know what fucking time it is. You know what time it is. I'm selling, bro. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. Yup. I can go that way, Slim. I'm strong. Oh, shit. Ow. Foul. You ain't foul me? Oh. Just making sure, bro. Hey, I told y'all I'm not losing twice, bro. Slim, what you gotta say?
You won. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah.
I don't see on the camera though. You won.
Like, comment, subscribe, man. Road to 10K. Get me there. Let's turn this video up. Let's make it go viral. Got my boy Slim Reaper. It was a hard fought game. Clamp got came out with a victory. Let's get it, man. See y'all later.